In this video, I want to talk about how you can scan QR code on Binance. Now, there are different types of QR scan codes. One is to log in, one is to receive money, and another is to use the merchant one. So let me quickly go through all three of them. So the first one, to log in, is pretty simple. Once you head over to the login page, there will be a little QR code that you can press on, and you can scan that one to log in. Now the second one is for Binance Pay, and this is if you're doing transactions with merchants. So if you are using the Binance Pay, what you can do is open up the Binance app, and once you're in there, there should be a little QR code scanner. And what you can do is you should be able to scan the QR code. Now, what you can also do is in Binance Pay, if you go to your profile, click on Pay, and you should also find one called Scan. Now, the third one is if you want to find your own QR code that others need to scan to get money, to send money so you can receive the money, you want to go to your profile and click on the wallet, go to Spot. Inside of Spot, we want to click on the deposit button, then choose deposit crypto. And don't worry, we're not going to deposit crypto, just make sure you're verified. Select the coin, select the network, and once you've done that, your deposit address will appear and there will be a QR code there as well. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.